Part of the enjoyment of a rainy drive comes from knowing that you'll be able to see through the downpour. That's why Genesis made their windshield wiper system so easy to use, yet powerful. The windshield wipers are controlled by the lever on the right side of the steering column. The lever moves up and down as well as toward the driver. Pressing the lever up momentarily activates the mist feature. The windshield wipers will wipe for as long as you press the lever up. Releasing the lever will return the wiper to the off position. Moving the lever down one position activates the auto function. The auto feature uses a sensor located at the top of the windshield to detect rain. It will turn the wipers on and off as it detects rain and operate intermittently on preset intervals. To adjust the intervals, move the speed control lever on the wiper stock up to increase speed, down to reduce speed. Move the lever down once more to operate the wipers on low, and once again to operate them on high. If you pull the wiper stock towards you, the vehicle will spray windshield washer fluid on the windshield, and the windshield wiper will wipe briefly as long as you are pulling on the lever. It's good to know that if left in the auto position, the wipers will turn off automatically if the vehicle determines that they are no longer needed. If the wiper is set to auto when you start your vehicle, it may perform a single wipe as a self-check. This is normal. To ensure proper operation of the sensor, do not cover it with anything or remove the back of the sensor. In addition, be sure to turn the windshield wiper stock to off before washing the windshield or going through a car wash. Failure to do so may damage the wipers. You should know that certain conditions such as dirt or specks on the windshield, dust, or direct sunlight may cause the auto function to not operate as intended. One final feature of the windshield wipers is the park feature. This brings the windshield wipers to a vertical position and holds them there. This allows you to lift the wipers up to clean the windshield or to service the wiper blades. To access the park setting, turn the vehicle off and within 20 seconds, hold the wiper stock up to the mist setting for 2 seconds. The wipers will move to a vertical position and hold there. After servicing the wipers or cleaning the windshield, be sure to lay the wiper blades back down on the windshield. This is to prevent damage to the hood or wiper arm when the wiper engages. To turn off the park feature, simply start the vehicle, then turn the wiper stock to any on position. To learn more about the windshield wipers on your Genesis, please consult your owner's manual.